ये डिमांड है। थैंक यू ज्योति।
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Bhavya, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel below. So a new video after so long, and I was really excited for this video because it is going to be my birthday month. My birthday is on 7th Feb and we will be shopping for it today. So it is going to be my most expensive week of the year and I'm really excited for that. So why not share it with you guys? Let's go. I was going to the metro station by my scooty, parked my scooty, reached the metro station. We have reached the metro station and you know what? This is my school which I have studied till 12th and the nostalgia is hitting very badly. As I have studied till 12th and it's almost 4 to 5 years I have visited the school. I miss the school a lot. I had to go with my sister, so I waited for almost 15 to 20 minutes for her to arrive and she finally came and we waited for the Lajpat Nagar metro station to arrive. As we were heading towards the market, my excitement was increasing. I think I might just pick up something unexpected today. After all, birthdays are all about surprises. Alright, we reached the market and I went to my ever-time favorite store, that was Incense. The variety here was fabulous. I picked up a blue tiger print dress, a black dress, blue halter neck top, red tube top and this beautiful black top and bought some of them. After spending hours in deciding what to buy, we were actually hungry and we went to the very famous Dolma Auntie Momos. Then it was time to shop for our footwear, so we went to Kens. We shortlisted some of them and then bought some. Then we had pineapple and we then headed towards the metro station. So guys, we are back home and now I will be showing you all the items I purchased. So first of all, I purchased this beautiful dress. This is how it looks. I will attach the image here. Also, it has the black overcoat. It was worth 2500. Next up, we have this beautiful top, जिसकी fitting बहुत अच्छी थी. This top was again for 1050. Next up, we have black top. And this looks really pretty on me. I will attach its image here. This top is worth 1000 rupees. Next up, I bought this beautiful kurti as a flowery design, which made me buy this kurti. It was worth 250 only. Let's move on to our footwear. I bought a pair of daily wear sandals. Next up, I bought this beautiful sandals, which were looking actually very beautiful with my dress. Next up, I bought some miscellaneous items like goggles. I bought it for 250 rupees only. Next, I bought some jewelry. I bought these bracelets. I bought them for 50 each. And I bought some earrings which were worth 100 each and these earrings. So that was all for today. So let's move on to a birthday vlog now. So guys, it's almost 6 hours to my birthday. We are going to the market to pick my cake. Also, we are going to buy some decoration stuff.
Hello guys, हम केक लेने जा रहे हैं आज.
Same guys, same.
Let's get some birthday balloons. Should I go for pastels, metallic or mixed of both? This shop has my heart because it has all the stuff I need for my birthday. Next stop for sure is going to be my birthday cake. I always go for this shop for my birthday cake because they make exactly the same design I asked them to make. Look at this beautiful cake. It has all my heart. So we have picked the cake, balloons and now it's time for some food. So we went to the very famous Yadav Ke Ram Laddu to have some. Why is it always traffic stuck in whenever I want to go home early? Then it was time for some self-care. I got my hair washed and styled so that I can feel fresh and fabulous. Look at my hair. I am loving those curls. Then we had some spring rolls as well. Now let's head towards our home and decorate the room for the midnight celebration.
Jyoti, thank you.
हाफ वाला है.
Guys, see.
अबे ये ऐसे केक कब से आने लग गए भाई?
ये न्यू डिजाइन है केक का.
उल्टे केक आने.
और ये हुआ कैसे लेकिन यार ज्योति? कुछ बोलना चाहोगे तुम इस बारे में? केक ही ऐसे है.
हाँ वो तो आ गया था मेरे को.
Look at these flowers, guys.
Thank you ज्योति.
These flowers look really beautiful and I really love
It
roses.
is almost 2 hours to my birthday now and we have decided to start the decoration now. So we'll take you with me now. Also guys, we have my sister Anna and Riya with me. I also have my friend Jyoti with me who will be helping out in my decoration. So let's go!
Every year I decorate this part of my drawing room, but this year I have decided to go with this wall. I am really excited for the decoration this year. Let's see how it turns out.
it was time to start setting up for the decoration I needed. I love setting up cute decoration.
हेलो हाय। दुनिया में ऐसा कोई बंदा देखा है आपने जो अपना बर्थडे अपने आप सेलिब्रेट करे?
Also, we enjoyed throughout the decoration. We danced a lot. We had utmost fun.
So guys, we have almost completed our decoration and it's time for me to change now, and I will meet you guys again.
It's officially my birthday and I'm so grateful for all the love and good vibes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God, ये क्या crazy चीज हो रही है?
Birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you, mommy.
फोटो लेंगे क्या इतना एक्स्ट्रा बना लिया
I was completely loving this decoration. We captured countless moments of memories. Also, we filled albums of memories. After cake cutting scenes, guys, look at them. After so much hard work they did for my decoration.
Enjoying cake. ये देख लो guys.
people enjoying नहीं हो रहा है
Eating cake.
hope you
इनको 10 दिन से खाना नहीं मिला है और इनको अब डायरेक्ट केक कर रहा है. Zoom वीडियो देख लो guys इनके. Annie Penny getting tissue.
चल जाएगा काम?
So guys, cake cutting for today is done and we enjoyed a lot, and I am super happy today and we'll meet you tomorrow in morning.
My 3 goals.
We ate cake and now we all were so much tired that we all just wanted to go back to bed now. But my friend had to go home in the night itself, so it was time to drop her. So we all decided to drop her to the gate. What a fun start to my birthday.
हम जा रहे हैं gate मारने.
But the celebrations are far from over.
हम निकल चुके हैं guys केडी मारने.
Good night, see you guys in the morning. I started my day with the blessings and gratitude at the Jain Mandir. I feel so peaceful and thankful today. After coming from Mandir Ji, we all had our breakfast, that was chole bhature. I guess this is the soul dish everyone makes on their birthday. Next stop had to be Gaushala, of course. I started visiting Gaushala from my previous birthday itself. Feeding cows is such a peaceful experience. We got this slip for the food to be fed to the cows. We couldn't find anyone there, so my mom herself started filling up the bag. And look at this cow. This cow really made that moment. That cow saw that we had chapati and it just started moving with us and following us wherever we were going. Look how beautifully my mom handled that cow, and it was really funny at that moment. This moment is so pure and calming. It's said to bring good karma and I truly feel so happy doing this. Now time to get ready for my next birthday celebration. It's time for birthday glam, guys. I got ready in my outfit and I am going for a girly look today. Then I got my girls ready for the same.
Birthday to me. Happy
birthday to you Bhavya.
Thank you guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys.
One cake is never enough for a birthday, so more cakes, more fun and more memories were made.
So guys, I have got ready for my special day and I am really excited for the day and I hope my day goes very well. And we are going to 1022 to have our lunch there. So see you guys there.
All set, we all are ready in our beautiful outfits. Now it was time for some foodie outing with my favorite people. We decided to go from metro as cabs were taking more time and there was much traffic on the road. We took auto rickshaw to our metro station. We reached the metro station and to our surprise we got seats to sit in the metro. Also say hi to my new friend Pimple. Also my battery was draining, so I decided to charge my phone. This cafe was just walking distance away from metro. Look at this place, guys. This place was really looking fantastic and it's a photoholic place as I always wanted. Such a perfect birthday vibe. Good food, good company, and lots of laughter. And we took a corner seat. Everything from view to sunlight was perfect. Then we ordered some food. Until it arrived, we started clicking pictures. It was indeed a bright day. We were actually turning moments into the memories, and we all got some beautiful shots. Then our food arrived. We ordered a pizza, pasta, fries, cold coffee, and mojito. The food here was 10 on 10 and much delicious. This was their bar area. We had an endless session of talks and laughter. I liked their mojito very much. Then I got clicked with my girls. We documented the day with flurry of unforgettable shots. We got clicked in almost every corner of that place. Also, we took a rooftop sitting, I guess because of good pictures only. I was really happy today. I really liked spending time with my girls. I was really happy to end my day on a good note. Now it was time to pay the bill, and it was much less than my expectations. And that's a wrap on my birthday celebration. Then we walked back to the metro station, and as expected, we didn't get seats in the metro. We almost traveled 10 to 15 stations standing in the metro, and finally we got seats. As we were exiting, we noticed a beautiful sky, and finally it was time to go home. So we took a auto rickshaw drive to our home. This has been one of my best birthday ever, and I'm so grateful for all the love, celebration, and the beautiful memories made today. Such a beautiful day filled with love, laughter, and positivity. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot.
So guys, we are back home. What a day it was. Feeling loved for all the love and blessings I had today. It was really a very good day. It's a wrap for my unforgettable birthday. Thank you for being part in my special day, both in person and through the vlog. If you like my vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.